Good morning. Let's discuss the basics of a USDA loan, or in some other people call them rural development loans. So, what is the purpose of this program? USDA loans are intended for rural development. According to the USDA, approximately 97% of all United States territory is defined as rural. Even many small towns and suburbs of metropolitan areas qualify as rural. Okay, so let's discuss some of the eligibility requirements. So, the borrower must meet the standard USDA credit qualifications. Said the home buyer must meet income eligibility. The USDA loans are intended to make home ownership a reality for low to moderate income families in rural areas. All right, so the USDA they have different income guidelines based upon where you live at in your state and MSA area. So I pulled one just for here for Hammond, Louisiana. This is where I live at. All right, and for a two-family household, very low income qualifications would be 33,800. Low income would be $54,100, and moderate would be $103,500. So the USDA loans are kind of different from your FHA loans, your VA loans, and your conventional loans, as due to there being a income test that you have to pass. If you make more than this, you are not eligible for this program. Okay. So then the home buyer must personally occupy the dwelling as their primary residence. So no investment properties, no second homes. Right. You must be a United States citizen. Right. You must have the legal capacity to incur the loan, which means that you're just legally able to take on the debt. So you must not have been suspended or debarred from participating in federal programs. This is not very common, right? And you have to be willing to pay the loan back. Okay, let's talk about some of the advantages of a USDA loan compared to an FHA or conventional loan. There's no down payment option available, which most people take, which is not technically 100% financing, but it's 99.8% financing. You usually just have to pay for some of the closing costs, like your title search fees and some of those things. So it's still the cheapest down payment option out of your four basic loan types, right? It still offers very competitive interest rates. I remember when we were offering these loans month, like a year and a half ago, right in the middle of COVID, and probably closer to the end of 2020, beginning of 2021. I remember seeing some 1.99 interest rates that we were given on USDA loans. Right, and on conventional loans at that time, we were probably given 2.25. Right, so it's even more competitive than what you would get in a conventional loan. So that to me is a very strong benefit for a USDA loan. Right, the credit guidelines are kind of flexible. Right, unlike most lenders, I think our cutoff that we do is 640, just like it says right here. All right, but you can find some lenders that would maybe be willing to go down to 620, but not much lower than that. And you also can get your USDA loans in your standard 30-year and 15-year fixed term length. Let's talk about some of the disadvantages. Just like your FHA loans, excuse me, guys, this should be USDA. Let's change that. Just like your FHA loans, you have an upfront funding fee that you have to pay. All right. You're allowed to finance this. This will be rolled into your finance amount of the house whenever you make the purchase. All right. But just for an example, the median home price in the United States is $374,900. Your upfront fee on that loan would be $3,749. Right, there's also an annual fee that you have to pay every year. This is usually included in your mortgage amount. All right, and it's 35 basis points. All right, so you take your average home price up here, multiply it times 0.35%, and you come out to $109.35 a month. All right, so you're gonna have to pay that every month with your escrows, right, for the life of the loan. That's one of the disadvantages of a USDA or even FHA loan is that your MI, your mortgage insurance, never goes away. I was like, and you must meet the USDA loans to requirements to qualify. That's pretty standard stuff. So here's your link right here. We'll bring you to your income limits by MSA and state by where you live. Like, so you can go ahead and go to that website and find some more information on your specific area. So comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what you think. You have a good one.